Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create a group chat on Character.AI app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Character.AI app. On the main screen, you'll find a Create button located at the bottom. Tap on it. This action will bring up a pop-up menu with several options. From these, select Create a Room. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your room. Think of something that fits the theme or purpose of your chat. After naming your room, you'll have the opportunity to add characters. Choose the ones you want to include for a group chat by selecting them from the list or searching for specific ones. Once you've named your room and added the characters, look for the Create It button. Click on this button and you'll see that your group chat has been successfully created. You can now start interacting with all the selected characters in your new room. So that's basically how to create a group chat on Character.AI app. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.